How to replace the left speakers. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the main wireless WAN antenna cable and speaker cable for later replacement. Remove the main wireless WAN antenna cable from the routing channel on the speaker. Disconnect the speaker cable from the connector on the USB board. Remove the retention tape that secures the speaker cable to the top cover and remove it from the routing channel. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips broadhead screw that secures the speaker to the top cover. Remove the speakers from the standoffs and adhesive on the top cover. Remove the speakers. Reverse this procedure to install the speakers.